Hello guys, and welcome back to this video tutorial. And today I want to show you how to connect UDP custom files or UDP files without using data bundles. You don't need to recharge in order to connect this UDP. So you'll go to WhatsApp. I have posted these files, or even if you have Telegram, then click to open, and I'm going to open with HTTP custom, since only HTTP custom that supports UDP. So click on connect as usual. As you see here, I'm going to click on connect. Then I'm going to tap on logs to see the process of connecting. I'm going to tap in here. Then on this side, as you see here, it's not connected. It's just saying network not initialized. So what to do, you're gonna scroll up like this, then turn on airplane mode, then turn it off again like that, and then come back to HTTP custom. As you see so we are waiting for an IP address, new IP address. So it will just connect automatically if the IP is correct, and it will deny if it's not correct. If not correct, we just scroll up again, turn on airplane mode, on and off. As you see here, I got the right IP address, so it has connected. As you see here, HTTP custom ready to use, and even the IP address has just pop up. It is 100.103, and so this is the IP for UDP. So that's how we connect to UDP, guys. So when I post UDP files again, that's how we connect. Finally guys, thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next video. Aviator predictor coming soon.